Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your number or phone number on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do to change your number, you just go down, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here like you say, and you just click here on account security. Then you come here to account security window, you click here on phone, then it's going to take you to this window and you just click here on change mobile. Then you come here to add your phone number and you click here on next, and it's going to give you a code, so you add your code on your when you click here on next, and it's going to change phone number with you. So that's all, you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.